और अब चलिए अब आपको सीधा आरआईसी लिए चलते हैं जहां उप मुख्यमंत्री दिया कुमारी मौजूद है।
So it's real, the Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, the Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Rajasthan, the esteemed dignitaries, respected faculty members, dear colleagues and friends. It's a real pleasure that we have with us Dr. Diya Kumari ji with us. She not only represents the government of Rajasthan, under which we work at SMS Medical College, and you would wonder how many portfolios she has now. She has 7 portfolios. Just art, literature, culture, archaeology, finance, tourism, public works, women and child development, and child empowerment. So she is really working very hard, and she is not only representing the government of Rajasthan, she is representing the cultural heritage of Rajasthan, because she is the granddaughter of Sri Man Singh Ji II, the last ruling Maharaja of the princely state of Jaipur during the British Raj in India. Thank you, ma'am, for coming to our inaugural function. I would now request to give a few words of wisdom to the whole audience. Thank you, please.
Good evening, Namaskar. I think I will speak in English because I think everyone here knows the language. So firstly, I'd like to thank everyone to have chosen Rajasthan, Jaipur as the venue of your robotics meet. We are honored, so happy that SMS Hospital is also one of the hosts of this great event. Of course, on the stage with me, we have Dr. Shivam Priyadarshi ji, Dr. Nachiket Vyas ji, Dr. Neeraj Agarwal ji, Dr. N.P. Gupta ji, and everyone, all the dignitaries from also the faculty, doctors, all the esteemed guests, media. Thank you so much for inviting me here for this on this occasion. I'm not really here as a politician. I'm here as I would say a parent whose child had an accident. Yes, last year, and we were in Glasgow, Scotland. That's where the accident took place, and injury was in the ureter. And I was, desperate to find a good urologist. Of course, we had to do some procedure in Glasgow and the rest in Mumbai. But then, of course, I was wondering why in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, do we have the facilities? Do we have the trained doctors? But of course, I'm sure there are. But then it didn't happen at that time in Jaipur. As a parent, I think, and I think it can happen to anybody. It's so important to have the facilities, the infrastructure, the machinery in Rajasthan, in Jaipur. I would say not just Jaipur, but all over Rajasthan. And I'm so happy that we do have robotics and of course AI in Rajasthan now. It's been 3 years of the robotics surgery happening here. And from the government side, I would like to say that anything we can do, the government will not spare any funds or efforts to whether it be improving infrastructure, the techniques or anything at all. I think this government is very committed to health, especially health infrastructure. So as of course everyone knows that we will not spare any effort, and if there is anything we need to do, we need to improve upon, we will be there with you. All you need to do is just let us know and we will do the needful. Very important for any government, people do need, the first thing they need is good health services. And our government, of course, along with our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and now our Chief Minister Shri Bhajanlal Sharma ji, very committed towards improving everything, the facilities. Of course, there are other things we are very committed to improving in the state. But today we are talking about healthcare, and we are not going to spare any effort. We will do our best to improve that. So, of course, I would like to request our team to doctors and our team to let us know what we can do. We are going to be, the Rajasthan government, the budget is going to be presented on the 19th of February. Preparing for that. That is the reason why I'll have to leave a little early. Just 4 more days left. And I'm sure we will be doing a lot for health as well. But if there is anything else that we can do to improve in the field of urology, we will definitely take care of that and do our best. Once more, I'd like to thank everyone to have given me this opportunity to be here amongst all of you. I know how important it is. It's not a small department. It's a very, very important department. I know I've gone through this, thing. So I think it totally is. When it affects you, it's very, very important to have good facilities, and we are there for you. So thank you. बहुत बहुत आपका आभार, धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाकर इतना मान सम्मान दिया. कुछ भी हो हमारे लायक, हमारे लिए, सरकार के लिए, बिल्कुल सरकार आपके लिए तैयार है. हम लोगों को हमारी हेल्थ के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बहुत अच्छा करना है, मजबूत करना है. उसके लिए सरकार आपके साथ कदम से कदम मिलाएगी और जो भी होगा पूर्ण रूप से हम लोग करेंगे. बहुत बहुत आभार.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. I think SMS Medical College and Department of Urology is doing a lot. And it is doing everything which is done all over the world. Right? And we are soon starting to have a robotic renal transplant also. Probably this month only, we are trying to fix up, and we will be doing a robotic renal transplant, which is probably done in very, very few centers throughout the country. And our
SMS has one of the best doctors in the world.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
लोगे क्या